welcome to Scuba Dogs.
We're having 5-star dive and aquatic trip.
I'm Elsa,
And I'm Alberto.
and today we want to take you on a very cool tour of our awesome facilities in Copamarina Beach Resort.
And show you how we truly aim to make people happy and be diver's best friend.
Guaitiao, welcome!
Hi, let me show you around. Thanks for exploring Guanicamazing with us.
We look forward to seeing you soon in the water.